In this video, we're going to look at graphing our inequalities. So I'm going to use the solution from the previous video on how to solve inequalities to show how we can graph them. So the first one I'm going to graph is one we can see right here. So I'm graphing 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 4 over 3. So we'll draw our number line. And I can make my number line however I want. So I'll go 4 over 3, 8 over 3, and then I'll go in the opposite direction the same amount. Now, since we have a line underneath our inequality sign, that's going to be our closed dot. So here, at the 0, we'll put a closed dot, filled in dot, and at the 4 over 3, we'll put a filled in dot. Now when I look at x, it's in between 0 and 4 over 3. So that means I'll need to shade in between 0 and 4 over 3. So I'll just color that in like that. Really exaggerate it. And then I'm done graphing. Then when we're graphing an OR statement, we're just going to graph both parts on the same number line. So I have x is greater than 1 or x is less than negative 5. So I'll put my number line down. I'm going to go 0, 1, 5, negative 1, negative 5. So we know that x is greater than 1, no line underneath, so we use an open circle. Then I'm greater than 1, so I'm going to shade so that all my values that are greater than 1 are included. 5 is greater than 1, so that's why I want to shade to this side. Now I need to graph the other part, so x is less than negative 5. So the way I do that is I'll put an open dot, no equal to line underneath, so it's an open circle. Then I'm going to shade so that I have all the values that are less than negative 5, so I'll shade to the left. And that is how we can graph inequalities.